and turned it over. Richard will play it to neutral. Got by a defender. Here's Freddie Gaudreau. Gaudreau moving to the net. Goes to the cage. Stanton poked it away from him. Good job by Ryan Stanton. Loose puck, Ribeiro to the near circle. Shot to goal! Peter Granberg scores, and it's 4-3. Peter Granberg's first as an Admiral at 11:13 of the third. The Admirals were down 3-0 after the second, down 4-0 early in the third, and now it's a 4-3 contest with 8:47 to play. Wow! Well, it's been all Milwaukee here in this third period, much like it was against Manitoba.
Milwaukee Admirals go!
Unbelievable, unbelievable. You wonder where this was in the first two periods.